So ये जो आपका instrument है that is for determining the friction losses in straight pipes. So we have given here 4 different type of pipes having different material and different diameter.
Okay.
Suppose this is copper pipe, this is also copper pipe. The difference is it has a dia of that is ID 18 mm, it has a dia of 15 mm. So we'll see which has more frictional losses.
Which metal having more frictional losses?
Which metal, which diameter has more friction?
Oh,
Material
diameter.
same, copper
Oh.
and copper. A copper pipe of 18 mm dia, a copper pipe of 15 mm dia. So we see in which pipe the frictional losses is more, this pressure losses. So I will fix one point here and I will fix another point here. Connect the pipe from hydraulic bench
Okay.
or some laboratory source to here, and then there will be some flow rate. Flow rate can be determined with the help of this rotometer.
Oh.
You can control, like controlling this gate valve, you can control, and you read this device with the help of upper end. Suppose it is floating, so whatever the upper end is at 600, so the flow rate will be 600 lph. If the upper end of float is at this, then it will be 500 lph. So you have to always read from the upper end
Okay.
of the flow. So we know the flow rate, then you can determine what is the pressure loss. And the pressure loss will be in the millibar, and you can read it here. If it is 100 millibar, 20 millibar, 30 millibar, it will be like that. Then again after that I will put for the same flow rate, I will put the points here.
The dia is different.
Now dia is different, and we'll see what happens. Is the pressure loss increases or decreases? Then you will find this has less pressure loss as compared to this, because it will produce more friction due to
Less dia.
less dia. It will produce more friction to the flowing fluid as compared to this. Then we can compare the materials. This is galvanized pipe, this is copper pipe, which has more friction. Then you will find this has more friction. Then we use another roughened plexiglass. It is roughened artificially.
Okay.
And what is the friction? What is the friction? Yeah, roughness, it is mentioned in the manual. So here you can find out which has more friction, and you can find out the friction coefficients also for different pipes. Okay. By using your Darcy-Weisbach equation. By using Darcy-Weisbach equation, you can find out the friction coefficient for different material. You can compare the frictions, your pressure losses for different materials and different diameters. What is the effect of diameter on the friction? What is the effect of material on the friction losses? Okay, what is the effect of roughness on the friction losses?
Okay.
सिंपल, कम ज़्यादा इस बॉल की हेल्प से। जब आपने जिस पे लगाया है, बाकी सबको आपने क्लोज कर देना। अगर आप ये वाला लाइन यूज़ कर रहे हो तो ये लाइन क्लोज रहेगी, सिर्फ वही लाइन ओपन रहेगी जिसका आप प्रेशर लॉस मेज़र कर रहे हो। अदरवाइज जो फ्लो रेट है वो डिवाइड हो जाएगा, और ये डिवाइडेड फ्लो रेट दिख रहा है। ठीक है, अब ये आपको सिर्फ बैटरी चेंज करनी से ओपन हो जाएगा। ये आप यहाँ से होल्ड कर सकते हो रेटिंग्स को, ये ऑन ऑफ के लिए है। ये अगर आपने दोनों लगा रखे हैं या दोनों नहीं लगाए, अभी स्टार्ट किया है, अगर ये कुछ प्रेशर दिखा रहा है तो आप जीरो कर सकते हो, उसको जीरो करके फिर कनेक्ट करना है। ठीक है, ये होल्ड का है, ये रिकॉर्ड का है। अगर आप रिकॉर्ड करना चाहते हो रीडिंग्स को, ये फ़िल्टर है, ये आप चेना नहीं है, ये यूनिट्स अगर चेंज करनी है।
यूनिट्स के लिए ये वाला ना?
ये वाला सी